What's up guys, welcome to Tech Breeds. So after months of leaks and rumors, the Xiaomi 6X or Mi A2 is officially confirmed by Xiaomi as new posters and videos leaks on the internet. The phone will come as Mi 6X in China and the phone is expected to arrive globally with the stock Android under the name Xiaomi Mi A2. It will be very similar to the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro which was launched a couple months back and is expected to come with a 5.99-inch LCD display with a resolution of 2160 into 1080 pixels and an 18:9 aspect ratio. According to a leak from Weibo, the device will be introduced in 5 different colors: the cherry pink, the flame red, the sand gold, the glacier blue and black. The Xiaomi Mi A2 will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor clocked at a maximum 2 GHz rather than the standard 2.2 GHz. It will come with a dual rear camera of a 12 megapixel Sony IMX486 primary sensor with a f1.8 aperture and a secondary 20 megapixel Sony IMX376 sensor with an f1.8 aperture. On the front there will be a Sony IMX376 20 megapixel sensor with a f2.2 aperture and a front-facing flash. The phone will also support 4K video recording at 30 fps and the smartphone will run on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. The phone will come in 4GB and 6GB RAM options and 32 and 64GB ROM options. We had to wait for a final confirmation at the event in China next week as Xiaomi Mi 6X or Mi A2 is rumored to be arriving on April 25th. So that's all for this video guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Liked and share and subscribe for more tech leaks and rumors.